Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda NC700X. This is the dual clutch automatic transmission model. It's got combined ABS, no clutch to worry about. Just put it in gear and go. It's got the engine guards, it's got a little smoke windscreen, and it's got that very unique storage compartment. It's part of the front end because the gas goes under the seat. Beautiful sounding Two Brothers. Wait till you hear that. It's got a big K53 box. This bike is ready for your commuter dreams. Only 25,000 miles. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder, smooth as silk. You're gonna get 55 miles per gallon on this gorgeous Honda. Price to sell for just $54.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. I say automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.